Here we have a Venn diagram, and we see any number here is the number that we have for any set. And here in this region, that means neither A or B. Question asks, how many elements are there in set A? In set A, that means this region. Only A plus the intersect A and B. So it would be 7 plus 4 gives me 11. Set B, that means this region. So 10 plus 4 gives me 14. A union B, that means this region, all this region. So 10 plus 4, 14, plus 7 gives me 21. And neither A nor B, it's this region, that's 2.